Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we will be talking about uVuyokazi, baby mama kaMpumelelo Mseleko. Kwamanje umge ufocus kuyena and uyakhombisa ukuthi ayikho into ezombeka phansi. She recently tied down in Instalberg, Turkey, and she's been spoiling her fans with stunning views, delicious food, and all-around bouquet goals content. Hi, uSisi said, soft life only, and meant it. uVuyokazi is out in Instalberg, Turkey, flexing on the Instagram with fire content, and fans are here for it. If there is one thing about Vuyo, is that she will bounce back harder than before. 2024 was a tough year for her, as she had to constantly fight for her spot in Mpumelelo Mseleko's life as one of his baby mamas. Things took a turn when she found love with Chef Xolani Sabelo, who spoiled her and even put a ring on it. But as fate will have it, Xolani got exposed for his cheating ways, entertaining multiple women online. Just like that, the engagement was over. From baby mama drama to public heartbreak, Vuyo has been through the most. But one thing we know, she's gonna keep shining, no matter what. What do you all think? Should she spill more about her trip, or is the mystery part of the fun? Thank you very much for watching. That was all. Until we meet in the next video.